Welcome to our guide on how to become the ultimate icebreaker. Leaders who can break the ice pave the way for effective communication and team bonding. Let's explore 7 tips and tricks for leaders. Tip 1. Initiate conversations. Break the ice by starting conversations. Engage in informal conversations with team members, fostering a friendly and inclusive environment. Tip 2. Organize team-building activities. Foster connections through fun activities. Lead team-building exercises, with everyone laughing and enjoying themselves. Tip 3. Share personal stories. Connect on a personal level by sharing stories. Share a relatable anecdote, with team members nodding and smiling in agreement. Tip 4. Use humor wisely. Lighten the mood with well-timed humor. Crack a joke, with team members laughing together and tension dissipating. Tip 5. Validate others' ideas. Encourage participation by acknowledging others' contributions. Affirm team members' ideas, with nods of appreciation all around. Tip 6. Facilitate collaboration. Break silos and foster collaboration across teams. Bridge gaps between departments, with a sense of unity and teamwork prevailing. Tip 7. Celebrate achievements. Recognize and celebrate successes together. Raise a toast to achievements, with team members clinking glasses and cheering. With these tips and tricks, you can become the ultimate icebreaker, forging strong bonds within your team. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel.